I know the title. Wait, is it? Can I say the title?
Say name.
Oh, Iza. Is it Warna Warni the AIDILFITRI?
Plus.
Oh!
Warna Warni AIDILFITRI. Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Halaltrip Tries. So in this very special Syawal edition, we're going to be having a Hari Raya Bake Off between me, Hidayah, and
Iza.
yeah. So as you guys can see, there's a lot of ingredients on the table here, and what we understand is that we're gonna be fighting to the death to get
Our ingredients?
Yes. Have you baked before?
No.
No.
I don't even know how to turn on the oven.
Oh my god! Wow! Great. Okay, I was kind of like a circuit baker last year. Yeah.
What do you bake?
So I baked chocolate chip cookies a lot.
Yum.
And brownies actually.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. So this is gonna be easy for you.
Help me! I think it's time for us to introduce a special guest, our resident baker in office. Her name is Rauda.
Let's welcome her.
Okay, Rauda will be explaining to us what we have to bake and what our challenge is today.
Okay, I don't know why I'm the resident baker. So your challenge is to bake Kek Lapis. Yeah. So it's not like, you know, there's Kuih Lapis, like the one you peel and you eat, but it's Kek Lapis. Have you baked Kek Lapis before?
No.
Okay.
It's also layer.
So it's a very labor-intensive process. Takes patience. Background research that I did. It's actually an Indonesian cake, also known as spekok. It's actually Dutch. So it was actually because of the colonial times. So Dutch, it actually translates to pork belly.
Oh.
Pork belly.
Pork belly.
Because of the layers in the pork belly and the layers in the cake. It used to be a round thing with like a hole in the middle.
Okay.
But because it's like time consuming and things like that, so they made it like just a block of thing. So I'm very excited to see your version.
Yes. Wow. With like gummy bears.
Sprinkles.
Following what the PD said, we are going to play a game. So seeing how this is the Syawal edition, we're going to play a game of identifying the Syawal song, Hari Raya song. So how good are you guys at your Raya song? What's your favourite Hari Raya song?
SUASANA di Hari Raya.
How does it sound like?
The
See, I don't know the name, but I know like, you know how
Right.
it sounds. Right?
Yeah.
Actually, there's one like rock song.
Okay.
Like by Ziana Zain and Awi.
Okay.
Halaman Asmara.
Wow.
Yeah.
Macam mana tu? If you're lucky, your favorite song is going to be on one of the 9 songs that we're going to play. So we're going to play 9 rounds. So there are 2 kind of options of each ingredient. So you're going to get eggs, you're going to get flour, and you're going to get the spices for your spices layer cake, which is the Kek Lapis from Pa. So these 3 things you're going to get. All other ingredients you will get to choose. You either have salted or unsalted butter to choose from. Winner gets to choose first, and you have to use all the ingredients in your cake, not the entire packet of sugar, because I don't want to get diabetes.
Okay.
But just some, but like a little bit of everything, okay?
Just want some diabetes.
Like, no, I mean,
Okay.
come on, don't make fun of this too.
I think one that I don't want to get is the gummy bear.
You don't want to get
Yeah,
that,
I don't want to get gummy bear.
This is tricky, yeah. Cake lapis natural is okay, but cake lapis Nutella plus gummy bear plus dried mango.
Yeah.
Why am I the judge again? I'm not looking forward to eating this. Alright, shall we start? Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Producer's gonna play a song. You can either guess the title of the song or the singer. If you know the song, say your name.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, we'll start with Wow, I can sense the nerves.
Nervous.
Okay. We'll start with butter.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, let's go. Hidayah? What's your answer? You just say now. Stop, let me say.
SUASANA Hari Raya.
No! Iza.
Okay, Iza, go.
SESUCI LEBARAN.
Do you know by who?
Siti Nurhaliza.
Alamak.
The one and only. Alright, so which butter do you want?
But you said you want unsalted. Okay, fine. I'll be nice. Salted, I take salted.
Oh!
Really? Yeah.
Iza gets the salted butter and Hidayah gets the unsalted butter like how she wanted.
Yay.
So moving on to the next round. We're gonna play for condensed milk and maple syrup.
Okay.
Okay? Cue the music.
Hidayah. Hidayah. Oh no. Satu hari di Hari Raya.
Correct! You know my who?
M. Nasir?
That's right!
Very nice.
I'll take this.
It's always classic songs.
Oh, really?
They're too nice to each other. Now it really, that's where it really starts.
Okay,
Okay.
No more friendly competition. No need. So next up, we're going to be playing for white sugar or brown sugar, light brown sugar. Ooh, product of Korea. Okay. So.
Iza.
Iza.
I know how to sing it.
Okay, sing a bit.
Hai selamat Hari Raya.
Kita Hidayah.
Suasana Hari Raya.
No.
Wait a minute.
Suasana Hari Raya.
Okay. Hidayah, which sugar are you going for?
You know, honestly, I don't know which is the better option.
Light brown sugar has a bit more molasses. You
Okay.
can go for that,
Okay.
maybe.
Okay, I think I'll go for light brown sugar then.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge, for your help.
Next, we're going to be playing for flavor.
Okay.
So flavor, we have vanilla essence and lemon essence. So vanilla is, pretty sad. It's going to make your Kek Lapis taste like Kek Lapis. Lemon is, I'm going to add a bit more of a modern twist. to it.
Okay.
So, okay, which one do you want?
Vanilla.
Yeah. So this is where it's going to get not so friendly. Alright, cue the music.
Iza.
Okay.
Suasana di AIDILFITRI.
Okay. Give one word.
What if, right, can you play a line and they finish the line and whoever finishes the line correctly gets it?
Can't really what she's saying right now. I don't know the lyrics.
Is it sanak saudara? Dah tu je.
Correct? Alright. Okay.
nice.
So nice.
Good job, Lisa. What's the name of the song?
Oh,
Seloka? Seloka Hari Raya.
It's the one that looks like sekolah. But
Okay, so Iza, take your pick.
Thank you.
Not very
Whatever.
forgiving this round, huh?
lemon,
Lemon.
kuih lapis.
Round number 5. So we are going to be playing for color. Okay, we have yellow and we have blue. So I mean, your whole cake doesn't have to be yellow or blue, or yellow and blue. It can be some layers blue, right? One in every 3 layers blue, maybe. Alright, let's play the song.
I know the title. Wait, is it? Can I say the title?
Say your name.
Oh, Iza.
Yes.
Is it Warna WARNI di AIDILFITRI?
Warna WARNI AIDILFITRI.
She stole it from you. Okay, alright, Hidayah.
Okay, which
Over
one
to
you
you.
want?
Oh, you said it. No lah, you pick lah. You pick lah.
Actually, I don't know. I'm fine with anything together.
Just take lah. Alright.
Okay.
Okay, blue. Looking forward to a blue Kek Lapis. Okay, see this cake pen says Loyang Hati. 6x3. It's a heart-shaped one and a normal rectangular one. I think both are good actually. Heart shape is interesting. Alright, round number 6. Cue the music.
Ku pohon restu ayah dan ibu.
Isn't that the lyric?
Iza, ku pohon restu ayah dan bonda.
I know the song, I can sing it. Bonda.
So what's the song? You were both close. So you said what?
Ku pohon restu ayah dan ibu.
Okay, you said
Ku pohon restu ayah dan bonda.
both are close, right? So take out one word.
Ku pohon restu ayah ibu.
Ku pohon restu ayah bonda.
You never say your name.
Iza. Ku pohon restu ayah bonda.
Ayah bonda. Oh.
Fun fact on Spotify, it's ku pohon restu ayah dan ibu.
If someone would like to Okay, come. Choose your cake.
I'm gonna take the
Loyang
right
hati?
angle one.
Alright.
Alright. Cute. Okay, now we play for toppings. So we have prune or mango? Which one do you want?
I think prunes is more common
No.
than mangoes. So I'm taking prunes.
I guess,
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like how your ingredients have like a color to it. It's like very blue.
Right.
And it's very like yellow
Yeah,
and
that's true.
orange, you know? Okay, round
Gotta get
number
Nutella.
7.
Habis.
Is this like modern Singaporean singer? Malaysian.
I've never heard.
You can either guess the name of the singer or the song.
Iza.
Okay.
Here for signing.
Nice.
Okay. Take a pick.
Oh gosh. Okay.
Thank you.
Alright.
Okay. You recognize his voice, is it?
Kind of, yeah. Oh, yeah, I know.
I'm so glad you're here.
Alright, so you took prunes and you took mangoes. Okay.
Yay.
So we're gonna play for Nutella or Oreo.
Okay.
Orange and prunes.
Yeah, tell me about it.
Nutella and prunes also.
Okay, let's play music.
Iza, Nazam lebaran.
Oh, it's fast.
That's how we cheated.
Take a pick.
Take the blue.
Yeah, okay. I'll take it.
Oh.
I don't know. Okay, never mind.
Alright. There takes Nutella. Okay, now we're down to our last round. So is it gummy bear or sprinkles? Okay. Round number 9. Last round.
Hari Raya.
Hi Daya! Hi Daya, it's you!
Selamat Raya.
Very good.
Thank you, Hidayat.
What was this? Is it rigged? Sprinkles will go nicely with your heart shape.
Yeah, that's true.
Loyang hati, you know?
I'm sorry.
Oh, so
Okay, Rana has to eat it anyway. Cheating.
Okay, so that is the end of the round. So I'm looking forward to your Kek Lapises. So all the best. So you will be evaluated on 3 criteria: creativity,
Okay.
presentation, and taste.
Okay.
Taste. Yeah. Taste. Okay. All right. Okay. I'll see you in the holidays. I'll see your creations in the holidays.
Yes.
Yes.
All the best.
Thanks.
Bye.
That came out of nowhere.